Hey guys, my name is Tara LaMagna. I am a Platinum Director with Lemongrass Spa, and if you're watching this, you are on my team somewhere. So welcome. I wanted to hop on and share with you how I do a Facebook party. So I'm going to show you from start to finish, kind of walk you through it. And I'm also going to give you a very huge gift that I've been working on all day today, literally all day from the time I woke up until like 5 minutes ago. It's now 8 o'clock at night. So of course I did other things throughout the day, but it's taken a long time. Okay. So just want you to know I invested my time for you, and I'm going to be giving you that gift shortly. But because I gave you the gift of my time, I ask that you give me the gift of your time in return and watch this video in full so that you understand. I'm going to try to answer all the questions so that you don't walk away from here with any other questions, okay? So first things first, a Facebook party. If you're not doing Facebook parties, you are missing out on a huge market. It is hands down, Facebook parties are the reason why I have a team of 1,800 and growing. I have been able to reach people in other states, do parties in other states, have team members in other states, all because of Facebook and Facebook parties. So I'm going to share with you what I do for Facebook parties. Facebook parties can be done differently by every individual. So what I might do, you might try it and you might find that another way works better for you. But I'm going to show you the way that I do it, the way that's worked for me, the best for me over the years, because I started doing Facebook parties like 6 years ago, 6 or more years ago, probably, maybe more than that. Anyways, a really long time, okay? So as of now, it is, what is it? It is June 2020. So this is how I do my Facebook parties right now. So I create a group on Facebook for my Facebook parties. I've tried it in the events. I've tried it all the different ways, but what I have found for me to work best is creating an event, or not an event, is creating a group on Facebook. I'm trying to share my screen with you guys. Let's see. Right here, I believe. Here we go. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, let's say this is actually a true story. Amelia, my customer, just said she wants to host a Facebook party with me. So when Amelia tells me that, or anybody else tells me that, I first have to go to my website and I have to create an event for her on my website. Now that's a whole different training. So if you don't know how to do that, stop the video, pause the video now, go watch that training and complete this step first, okay? So I created Amelia's event, and the reason why I need to do this is because I need, inside her event, I need her event link, her party shopping link, which is right here. I'm gonna need this. I can double click on it. I'm gonna need this in a little while. Okay, so that's the first thing I do. The next thing I do is I create a Facebook group. So I log into Facebook, I click groups, super simple, straightforward. I click create group. Yes, I create the group for the customer because she's hosting a party for me, right? You can come up with all the different fun names you want. I call them Amelia's Lemongrass Party. Honestly, actually, I'm not going to add her yet. I'm just going to add my sister for now. Because actually Amelia's hosting in a few weeks. So I'm going to set this up, but she's not actually going to see it for a bit. Okay, so I set it up because this person is hosting a party for me. I get paid because she is hosting a party. It's a great thing that she's doing. So I want her to have very little work, okay? So I just call it Amelia's Lemongrass Spa party. It's important that you don't make any mistakes when you're typing the group name out, because if you do, you can't change the name of your group for 30 days, okay? So there's that. Okay, choose privacy. I always say private. Public, just anybody can find it, and you're gonna get a lot of spammers. So I always choose private. Okay, click create, and you are ready to go. For my photo, I always use, let me just save it. So I'll show you. So I'm gonna open a new tab here. I always use one of the cover photos for the month that corporate provides. So you can go to the community page, or you can go to any of the team pages basically, and they'll have it in the albums there, but I'm just gonna go to the community page for now. And I'm going to go to the albums in there, and I'm going to go to the June specials album. They even have this beautiful one right here. But actually what I've been doing and what's working well is I'm using the bonus buy banner for the month. Bonus buy, you want as many people to get the bonus buy as possible. So here's the bonus buy banner. I'm going to save it. Save. And I'm going to upload it. I'm gonna find it over here. I just saved all these photos in here in the new album, so there we go. Okay. And I'm gonna save that. Nope, that's not it. Wrong one. Looks similar to the one that I wanted. Try again. Let's see, where is it? Here it is. Okay, so I'm going to upload this. I'm going to save it. The next step is I am going to click on it. Click on it. Here we go. And I'm going to add a description. And I'm going to say whatever I want to say. I'm going to say, so much for joining us. Amelia's party. We are going to have so much fun together this week. So much fun together this week. Check out our amazing bonus buy. I'll be sharing more about it. I'm gonna move this guy. Ah, I can't see it. Okay. Amazing bonus buy. I will be talking more about this week. Browse or shop Amelia's party anytime using this link. Now remember, I copied that link before, so I'm going to paste the link, the party shopping link. I'm going to paste it right there so it's easy for people to order, okay? Another thing I'm going to do is I am going to, I always do this at the top of the page because some people want to just start shopping right away. So where do you browse or shop? Click here. Okay, so this one I do before the party gets started. It's basically just an easy way for me to show people where to find the shopping link. So then I'm going to click the three dots and I'm going to mark it as announcements. So this is always going to be at the top of the page and we're good with that. Okay. The next thing that I need to do is I use Vizzlie for my Facebook parties. For those of you that don't know, Vizzlie is a website that posts for you. So it's an automated posting site and it posts to Facebook for you, okay? So I'm going to talk more about that in a minute. But what I need to do is, in order to use Vizzlie in my group, I need to click more. and I need to click Edit Group Settings. I need to scroll down, and I need to click Add Apps. And I need to add Vizzlie as an app in this group. So that basically gives Vizzlie, I'm letting Facebook know that I'm giving Vizzlie permission to post for me in this group. Otherwise, they wouldn't allow that because they would think Vizzlie was spam. This, for some reason, is taking me an extra minute or two lately than it has in the past. So just click it and then wait for it. Or yeah, just click it and wait for it, okay? Okay, so in the meantime, I'm gonna show you this over here. We'll go back to that in a minute. Okay, so Vizzlie. In order to post to a group, you need to select a group to track, okay? First of all, I should back up a little bit and say that Vizzlie is free. The free version of Vizzlie allows you to track or post in one group per month. Okay, so if you're doing one party a month for Lemongrass, perfect. You can use the free version. If you're using anything, if you want to do anything above and beyond that, there's different packages you can get to use it. Okay, so totally up to you. I think it's like $10 a month, something like that. Let me click billing so I can, yeah, it's $10 a month. $10 a month, and you can use it for texting, Facebook parties, email campaigns, whatever. So I personally do the $10 a month plan, but again, if you are just doing one party a month, you're fine with just using the free version, okay? Okay, so clicking on Facebook groups. Because that's what we're using. I personally, right now, only use Vizzlie for the parties. I don't use it on my pages. I don't use it for anything else. Feel free to check that out and try it out. It's just something that I don't do. Okay, so tracked groups. I need to add Amelia's party to this. So the easiest way for me to do this is to press Control F, hold Control, and then click F. And then you're going to search for the person's name. Amelia came right up. I'm going to click track group. Then I'm going to click track. Yep, I want to track her group. Now it's up here, okay? Okay, so you can see here in green, it shows Julia's party. That's 22 posts that are remaining for her party. And Amelia's has 0 because I have not connected a template to it yet, okay? Oh goodness, come on, Facebook. Might just be that I'm on Zoom right now too. There we go. Just click refresh again and I guess that will fix it. Okay, type Vizzlie, click Vizzlie, add, bada bing, bada boom, done. Okay, so that's fine. Okay, so now I can X out of Facebook. Actually, I'm not gonna yet because I might use that to share something else with you guys. Okay, let me see here. Okay, so I've tracked Amelia's group, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here to templates, Facebook, and I am going to either import a template that I want, which is what I'm going to give to you guys, okay? This is what I'm going to do. I am going to give to you as my huge gift. Remember the gift that I worked all day on? I'm going to give to you a code that's going to allow you to import the template that I created, okay? So when you guys get here, you're going to click import template and you are going to type in a code that I'm going to give you, okay? This is mine that I just created, okay? So I run my Facebook parties for 6 days. So during that 6-day time frame, I go live once in the evening for half an hour. I do not do my lives for longer than half an hour, okay? So that's important to share with you because it's going to make more sense as to what this template is, okay? So with this template, I have all of my posts scheduled, all of my posts in order. You can see what each post says, and it tells you the time that it's going to post and all of the things, okay? So these are going to post automatically to my party. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a minute, okay? But I wanted to show you what the template looks like first, okay? So I'm going to click share so I can show you guys on here the code. It is RZQWBTQ. Okay, and what I'm going to do is when I share this video that I'm creating right now for you, I'm going to include the code for this template in the video, in the post description. Okay, so just look above this video in the text and you're going to see the code there. Okay, because this one's specifically for June, and then I'm going to update it for each of the months coming up. Okay, so I am going to go back to my groups. So once you guys import the template, oh, one more thing, shoot, sorry guys. Okay, so once you import the template, what I need you guys to do, is I need you to update. I want you to go through each of the posts and I want you to update any of them that need updating, okay? So I took the time and did all the posts for you. All you have to do is click on the posts one by one. Let me show you. Click on a post, you can click edit, and you're going to read through the post. You can change it, you can make it sound more like you. Some of them, there's one in here that shares, you're sharing your VIP group and you're telling them, you're asking them to join your VIP group. You want to make sure that your information is correct. Oh, here's another one. What to expect is another one. This graphic right here, this little image here, that's a picture of me. So it's weird if you use my picture, okay? So you're gonna want to look at that image and then you're gonna want to create your own image. Share just a picture of yourself, whatever you wanna do. But you're gonna wanna, you need to update that one. Okay, so that's a perfect example. Another one, introduce yourself. This is me, this is my family. Again, weird if you use it, okay? So that's why it's really important that you update this. You're going to check each individual post. You're going to read through them. You're going to change anything you want to change. You're going to make it sound like you, and you're going to make sure it's information. It's your information, okay? And like photos of you and not me, okay? So you're going to do that here. You're going to do that in the template area, because once you do it in the template, then that makes it change. You can use this same template and you only have to make those changes once, and then the rest of the time you use it, all those changes are already going to be applied, okay? Okay, so once you do that, then you're going to click groups. You're going to go back to where you tracked the group. I'm going to open Amelia's group, and here we go. I am going to use a template. It's going to bring up all the templates I have. I'm going to use the team one that I just shared with you, and it's telling me to choose a date and time. This is the date that I'm actually going to do her party, okay? Her actual live 30-minute party. And I'm going to do this on Wednesday, the 24th at 8:30 p.m. Okay. Anything else? You can leave and then load template. So what this is going to do, it's going to schedule all of the posts. The whole entire party is already done. Scheduled all the posts, okay? Now, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, Rachel Town shared this with me and it's so good. You need, these are the text replacements. This is the stuff, this is like the fill in the blanks, the Mad Libs that you need to enter so that it's going to enter all this information in the posts. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to click the hostess. The keyword is hostess. This needs to be the hostess's name. So this is Amelia. Save. You go to the next one. This one is missing. The party day is missing. It is Wednesday. I'm doing it on a Wednesday. Catalog link. This is missing. Okay, to find your catalog link, you're going to open a new tab. You're going to go to your website. You're going to click catalog. And you are going to just simply copy the URL at the top of the page, and you are going to insert it into that catalog link. Okay. Then you need the shopping link. Shopping link, here it is. And you're gonna put that in. And then the last thing you need is the time. Also, I did realize I forgot to put the VIP post in here. So before I share this, it's already been done. 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's gonna be another one that says VIP because I'm gonna add the VIP, join my VIP group post that I forgot at the end of the party. So it's fine. You guys, it's gonna be fine by the time you look at this, okay? Okay, so that's it. That's all I have to do. Now, all I need to do is, it says posting is turned off. When you're ready to turn posting on, flip the toggle. Super simple. Yep, are you sure you wanna do it? Yep, I do. Because these posts are not going to be, now you can see it, it's all been updated. It's going to, these ones are going to post on June 18th, then June 19th and 20th, and so on and so on and so on, okay? So for example, this one, so I'm doing her party on the night of the 24th, and then June 25th is a Thursday, June 26th is a Friday. I like to do the parties on a Wednesday night, the live party on a Wednesday night, and then wrap up the party on that Friday. Usually I'll give them like Saturday morning too before I close, just because there's always somebody that's like late in entering their order, okay? So that's what I do. The other thing, okay, so this is it. So this is, I've scheduled all my posts, but I want to show you because this is not all that I do. This is part of what I do. One huge thing, well, first of all, two things. Okay, let me start with this. Aside from the Vizzlie posts, you're probably wondering, do you post anything else? Okay, so this is one that I just did. Actually, one that I'm doing right now. Actually, let me show you the one that I just did because that one shows what I'm about to tell you. So aside from the Vizzlie posts, what I do is I thank people for their orders. And this is how I thank people for their orders. So anytime someone in the party orders from me, there's got to be one in here because this was a $1,000 party. So somebody in here ordered, and where is a post? They all ordered early on. So anyways, I thank everybody for their orders when they order. Novel concept, right? So when I thank them for the order, I include an image of the product, at least one of the products that they ordered. I do this not only in my parties, but I also do it in my group, my VIP group as well. So I'll thank them for ordering, like this one. Thanks so much for your order, Laura. You'll love the bronzing butter and all the other goodies you got. It's super moisturizing and it will give you a nice glow. I included some before and after photos of the bronzing butter, and then bam, right there is the link to the party. So if somebody clicks on this, because they're like, oh my gosh, that looks so good, Laura. That was such a great choice. I'm going to get that too. See, there's already some responses to that. Then they can click that link and go ahead and shop. So I do those posts, okay? I add those to the party. I also, I don't know where it is, but I give updates like when a party is close to, like this one hit $1,000. So when the party's close to a certain level, I will, I'm stopping the share real quick. When the party is close to a certain level, I will do a shout out to the hostess and say, oh my gosh, Amelia's party is so close to the $1,000 level. She's only $26 away. Who's going to put her over that $1,000? Use this link, right? So that it builds the excitement in the party. So yes, I schedule my posts, but I'm also doing thank you posts. I'm also giving updates on where the hostess credits and the hostess rewards are. Also, for the live event, you're probably wondering, okay, what do I do for half an hour? You guys, do not make this difficult. Doesn't have to be difficult. Don't be nervous about it. It's just like you're sharing with your friends. For half an hour, share your favorite products or share your facial routine, share your makeup routine. You can choose whatever it is that you want to share. It doesn't matter, okay? What you need to remember though is that whatever you talk about in that live, most people are going to buy those things. So instead of talking about the Healing Element stick, I'm going to talk about the Healing Balm Quartet that comes with 4 sticks. It's a little bit higher price point, right? So think strategically on that. You know, you can talk about maybe your 5 favorite products, but then at the end, say you can get all of my favorite products, all of my favorites tonight for however much it is, however much they cost when you add all the prices up, right? So pretty simple, but you're making it easy for them. Also during your live, you want to make sure that you are asking them engaging questions. So I'm not just talking to you the whole time. Like this is a training. So yes, I am talking to you the whole time and I'm not asking you questions. If I was in a Facebook Live party, I would say something like, I have no products right here, but let's pretend. This is my, here's our Healing Elements Balm. It is our #1 seller. It can be used for bug bites, cuts, scrapes, sunburns, chapped lips, all the things. Of the things I just mentioned, drop in the comments and let me know what would you use it most on, okay? Something like that, right? You're asking them to comment, you're engaging with them just like you would at an in-home party, just like you would if you were having a conversation with someone, right? A conversation is give and take, and so that's what you want your Facebook party to feel like, okay? But the live event is super important, and it is super important to keep it. I actually like to keep mine more towards the 20-minute mark, only because people have short attention spans. They're not going to sit there forever, okay? So, and plus you have already posted, you've already shared a ton of information, so they know a lot already. The live party is just your chance to really get to know that, for them to get to know you a little bit even better than they already have, and for you to share like the how-tos and the demos, right? Like I lately have been doing a facial demo and it's worked really well. My sales are really high because I'm selling the skincare line, and those skincare products are higher priced items, right? Not only that, but those people are going to use those face care products, they're going to love them, and they're going to be my customer for life, okay? So consider doing something like that. What else was I going to share? So that's the live party. Talked about the Vizzlie templates. Oh, another thing. If I know some people in the party have tried our products, I will private message them. This goes obviously for the host too, but I will private message these people and I will say, oh my gosh, so happy to see you in the party. Would you mind taking a picture of like your favorite lemongrass product and posting it and just sharing why you love it in the group? And they always do it. They're more than happy to do it. And the hostess, of course, will do that. Okay. So, and that's huge because the more you get people to share, other people to share, the more likely their friends are to buy, right? Because we buy from people we know, like, and trust, and they can trust their friends. They know them, they like them, so they're going to purchase more. Okay. So if you have the opportunity to do that, do so. You're just going to private message them and ask them to post. Another thing that I do in the party, this is a separate from the Vizzlie scheduled posts, I will welcome the guests to the party. So as my hostess is adding people to the group, I will go in the group and I'll post and I'll say welcome, and I'll list all their names, whoever she added that day, or if she added it in the morning, cool. You know, I'll do a post in the morning, post in the evening, just to welcome people, tag them, let them know that I see them, I know they're here. It just helps them, you know, it's kind of like if somebody joins you at, if you're at an in-home party and new people come in the house, you're not just going to ignore them, you're going to introduce yourself, you're going to say hi, you're going to welcome them, right? Same kind of idea when you do it on a Facebook party group, okay? I think, oh, one other thing I do, so once the party is over with, I didn't include this in the Vizzlie template because it's something that you should just do, and it's not something I can write a post for in advance. You always want to let people know how much hostess rewards the host got. So I would close out the party and say, thank you so much, you guys, for coming and joining us this week. Amelia closed her party with $850 in sales, which means she got free shipping on her order. She got, you know, 3 half-off items and however many hostess credits she got, right? And then if you got bookings from that party in that same post, you can say, I can't wait for Lindsay and Ashley's party coming up next month. Who's going to attend those ones? Drop a gift so we make sure to invite you, right? So I do that post at the very end. And then I do, when the whole party's said and done, I message the host again. I thank her for hosting, and I ask her to post a photo in my VIP group of all the products that she got when she hosted. I don't have to say, Amelia, if you do this, then I'll give you this. They just want to help. They don't care. They're excited. They're happy that they got all these products for free. They're going to take a photo of it. They're going to post it in your VIP group. You don't have to dangle a carrot in front of their faces to do it. Just ask them, right? And they'll do it. So that's really beneficial because it helps you get future bookings from those that are in your VIP group who are considering booking, okay? Okay, I think that's it for Facebook parties. So you will have the Vizzlie template. Hopefully you took some notes. And if you guys have questions or anything at all, then comment below, because here's the thing. You guys can message me privately and ask me all these questions, but chances are if you have those questions, other people will have those questions. So if you ask them in the comments, other people can check the comments and they can say, oh, Rebecca asked this same question right here. I have the answer because Tara already answered her. Perfect, right? But if you ask me in a private message, I don't know, or the other people don't know what I said. So it's more beneficial to me because I only have to say it once, and it's more beneficial to everybody else if you just ask the question in the comments below, okay? So hopefully, hopefully that's helpful to you guys. I hope you appreciate the time and effort that I put into the Vizzlie template. I'm going to, like I said, update it. The only thing I'm going to update on it each month is the specials post. Aside from that, it's going to pretty much be the same. I put a lot of work and effort into it. So if you're doing multiple parties, I suggest that you create another template. You can create as many templates as you want. You can create one for a makeup party, a facial party. You can make it however you want, okay? But this template that I'm giving you is just something that you can get started with. And if you're not hosting many parties, if you're not doing, maybe you're doing 1 or 2 parties a month or something like that, you can get more use out of this one template. But if you're having repeat hostesses, obviously you're going to want to switch it up. Okay, guys? So hope that's helpful. And thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. And I will talk to you all soon. Bye, everybody.